In this video, we'll show you what to do if your Ethernet speed is capped at 100 Mbps on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So to fix this, first right click on the start icon and then go to Device Manager from the list. Now in the Device Manager window, you'll need to expand Network Adapters. Now here you will need to find your Ethernet driver on the list. Once you have found it, simply right click on it and then select Properties. Now here you will need to go to this Advanced tab right here. Now here on the left hand side, you need to scroll down, find this option called Speed and Duplex. Select it and then use this drop down menu to select 1 Gbps full duplex. If that doesn't work, you can come back to this menu and then set it to auto negotiation. Now click on OK. Once you have done this, simply go ahead and restart your Windows 11 PC or laptop and your Ethernet connection will no longer be capped at 100 megabytes per second. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.